There are 3 simple and handy ways you can manage your prices in yieldPlanet Channel Manager system. There are per day pricing, occupancy-based pricing founded on Channel Manager formulas, and occupancy-based pricing, PMS-oriented. Per day pricing allows you to create price lists designed to hold prices for entire room, irrespectively of how many people occupy it. Occupancy-based pricing founded on formulas in Channel Manager gives more complexity than simple per day pricing. It allows you to input prices in a format based on the specific number of people occupying a room. There are, however, integrated formulas responsible for calculating base rate into derived occupancy rates. Occupancy-based pricing PMS-oriented offers unlimited freedom in inserting occupancy rates. There are no formulas on room level. It is designed both to work with various PMS systems that can deliver occupancy rates or be managed directly from the Channel Manager. In per day pricing model, rates are defined for entire room irrespectively of number of guests. This is by far the most popular pricing model among our users. Per day pricing bases on maximum number of adults that can be accommodated within a room. This number is being defined via rooms panel individually for every room, usually the very moment the room is created, but it can be modified anytime. Inserting rates is very easy as you simply apply proper values for specific days or periods of time to a suitable room rate plan combination. Price is the same, no matter how many people accommodated a room. Now, the only thing that needs to be done is click the Save button. First occupancy-based pricing model that we would like to show you is based on formulas defined on room level. We see a panel with capacity definition for a triple room. It can hold up to 3 people. You can put that in number of adults. Below that, you will find Occupancy Formulas module. This is the part where you can decide which price will be the base for all the others and how should rates be derived from the base rate. Let's set base at 3 and then set -25 for 2 and -35 discount for 1 person. Note that in price list only the base price is manageable. After providing it, all the rest will be automatically recalculated after saving base rate. You can also work with the whole period at once if needed. Simply click Fill Prices Allotment Restriction button. Pick a room type and date range, and input base prices for all weekdays. Click Save and you will find rates updated for all occupancies. Second occupancy-based pricing model that we would like to show you is oriented for integration with external PMS system or is aimed to be used by demanding revenue managers. It is not necessary to integrate the PMS. Prices still might be implemented directly to Channel Manager in just a few clicks. In this model, you can work with prices based on actual number of people accommodated in a room, but it's not founded on formulas. Prices for particular occupancies work independent of each other. This time, when editing a room, you don't need to define any formulas. Simply provide minimum and maximum number of adults that can be accommodated and click Save. Here you can input every single rate manually or load it from synchronized PMS system if connected. As you can see on screen, every occupancy rate works independent of each other. If you're not using a PMS system and would like to implement prices for a bulk period of time, you can do that using the panel visible on screen right now. Simply choose a room, set period of time which you would like to fill with prices, and input them for every occupancy and every day of the week. Click Save, and there you have it.